अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे और आज का टॉपिक है हाउ डू आई गेट PHP errors to display। There are four ways to display errors in PHP which are listed below. Error reporting. It does not display the error string, error notice and error deprecated level errors and display all the other level occurs. Level errors. Display errors. Its default value is off. Set it to on. Log errors. It is the default value is on, which indicates whether or not error logging should be done. Error log string, it sets the name of the file which script's error should be logged. Example: to display errors in PHP, the fastest and easiest way is by adding the following lines to your code. Initial set display errors 1, initial set display set startup errors 1, error reporting error output किया गया default value. Again यहाँ पे initial set, the initial set function will try to override the configuration found in PHP initial file. Display errors, it is a directory which determines whether the error will be displayed to the user or will not remain hidden. Display startup errors, it is a directory which is used to find errors during PHP startup sequence. The list of directives that can be overridden by the initial set function is found in the official documentation. These two directives does not display parse errors. Program 1 PHP. PHP initial set display errors 1, initial set display startup errors 1, error reporting error all. Include GFG and PHP. Output क्या? A warning will be shown. No such directory or file found in location or file with the specific file or error line or error. To display errors including parse error, including changes must be made at PHP initial और a restart PHP a file PM और act जो है पुट किया गया 2. Display errors on. Program 2 PHP display number 0 to 5 from variable I is equal to 0, variable I less than 5 और variable I plus plus, semicolons after variable is missing, जो है वो echo variable I और output क्या? Output when display error is disabled in PHP initial file. ये देखें यहाँ पे जो है पेज इज नॉट वर्किंग का जो है लोकल होस्ट रिप्रेजेंट किया गया, यहाँ पे एरर क्रिएट किया गया. आउटपुट व्हेन डिस्प्ले एरर इज इनेबल्ड एंड रीस्टार्टेड, पर्स एरर आएगा, सिंटैक्स एरर अनएक्सपेक्टेड जो है यहाँ पे इस तरह की कमांड जो है आपके सामने दिखाई देगी. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज एवरीवन.